Hi guys, welcome back. This is Mike. This is the first part of the game we've been working on. It was to build a maze, and in this maze we need to direct, I want to say, a mouse, to have the mouse to move around and reach out to the muffin. So when the muffin, we reach out the muffin, the game should say we won. So the mouse goes back to its original place. So meaning this coordinate x and y, those coordinates I mean, and also stop the game and say you won. All right. Here we have the character here. This is a mouse. Now what we want to code the other character, the muffin. So let's click on muffin. So what we need to do. All right. So everything starts with an event. We can get this one, but we click on the green flag. So when I click on the green flag, all right, what I want to do, I'm gonna wait because we need to wait for the mouse to arrive. So we need to wait for the mouse to arrive when it touches the muffin. All right, so here we're gonna have this. And sensing is okay when touching, if touching, not the mouse pointer but the mouse. If muffin is touching the mouse, say okay, we want to wait, we're going to say something. Okay, so for this you need to go to look and say you won. That's the first thing you're going to do for 2 seconds, and after that we're going to move the mouse at this position. So as this position is the position for the muffin. This position is the position for the mouse. Minus 181, minus 163. All right. Minus 181, minus 163. All right. That's gonna be the position. And after all of that, we're gonna hand up the game. Click on Control. I think that's where it is. Stop how. All right. See what we're gonna do. And we can also, what we're gonna do, we can also have the mouse to point in one direction. See, now the mouse is pointing this way. You can also have the mouse to point this way, up. All right. When we do that, go to motions, pointing direction. You have to click to look up. There we go. Let's give it a try. We click on. All right. There you go. It's going. I like this game. There you go. See, it's not working. That's the same problem we had before. Let me stop it. Let me click on the green flag. So that's the same problem we had before. When we click on this, it kind of execute this loop, the if condition, only for once. It's not doing it all the time. The same problem we had on the second part. We were trying to have the directional thing, directional keypad with the up, left, and right arrow. We need to do it all the time to check if we have something. So like it's like you having to check, you say your security guards, if someone is coming at the door, you need to check all the time. So not leave your eyes out of the door. That's the same thing here. So we need to have the forever loop. All right, so it was a good test to show you how things work. Alright, forever. Let's do that. Here we go. Now we're gonna get started. Click on the green flag. Alright. Alright, you're on. Alright. Oh, on this here. Put it for the muffin. So I put it for the muffin, so it's the muffin that move. Alright, but this is how it's gonna be. That's the wrong way of doing it. Alright.